Kung kai-stressan nyo lang yung mga bagahin ninyo doon, itapon na lang ninyo yan. Wala naman nag-utos sa inyo na magdakwatsa kayo. Bakit kasi napakarami ng laman ng malita ninyo? Wala na ba kayo balak umuwi at dinala nyo na lahat ng mga gamit ninyo? Simangot kayo dyan. Nakwatsera kasi kayo, ayan ang napamalaan ninyo.
Yan lang. Hoy, lovebirds. Eh. We made it to Bali. Sarap. Hey. Buwan mo tayo! Sabi niya, nakangiti lang siya. Tapos, room tour, guys. So this is where I place my things, the mat, chinelas ko, shoes, then the other stuff. Here's my bed. I think it's a queen size bed. Ganda ng design niya. And I have a mirror here. Hello. So ito yung aking tote bag, cups, shades, etc. Mga accessories. Then let's go to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom, guys. Yeah, open it. So yan, may bathtub siya, shower, and toilet bowl, then ito lang. It's me. So that's a quick room tour. And ako lang mag-isa dito. Since my cousins and her boyfriend is on the same room. So 5 kami in total, and yeah, I guess it's always the best. Thanks. First stop, where are we going, guys?
We're going to Quiapo Church.
Hanap. Where are we going, bitch? We'll be having our first lunch.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Ginagawa mo!
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
First lunch. Nanununtok. Tuntukin ko ulo mo. Tingnan mo, napaka-anghang. Sobrang anghang. Min, tignan mo yung sili.
Tikman mo yung pan namin, napakang
Dalawa rin yun? Wow! Thank you.
Dama ba lahat? Ito. 519.
Bali may utang ka sa akin 20 ba?
Sasampalin ka 20.
May 20,000 pa tayo.
Milyonarya kayo
May
dito.
20,000 pa tayo.
Nagbibilangan na. Unang lunch pa lang, nandidilim na yung paningin nito. Anong 12,000? May 12,000 rupiya ka sa akin. Kasi nga 100 lang yung binigay ko, di ba? So, dapat 76 lang akin. Oo.
Gusto ko lang 4-5 dyan.
May 1,000 ka?
Min, wala min, doon na natin min. Oo nga, maglakad na
Hindi,
tayo.
kulang pa rin pala. Hindi, kailangan masettle na natin yung dito kasi pag alis natin.
Udak si Tanga.
Ano yung order ko, te?
Hi guys. First night here. Yung ganda, in fairness. Dadabog yard.
Video pala.
The next day.
Yan, ganda.
Guys! Wow! Sobrang ganda.
Ayaw na video. Meron naman sa ano.
Hindi kilala eh. Oreo coffee is made from tae.
That coffee become the best coffee in the world.
Wow.
Are you from Philippines?
Yeah.
That coffee you can get in Manila.
Yes.
But we have tea from that one.
I need that because I might have half the coffee.
We drink for. We're not allowed to have more than two. This one must be wild. They're living in the forest, in the jungle.
Changan Sentu.
One luwak, they produce only 1 kilogram coffee in a year. That's why that coffee is very rare. You bring any fruit, they will come to you. They will buy because
The
the
smell.
smell. Yeah. He like it coffee, banana, and papaya. That's it.
In the night, he is very active.
Yeah, they don't sleep. It's roasting time.
Ano mo, daw lipong
Hindi. Nabuhan.
We need to roasting 1 hour. Avocado coffee, but this one now you drink just a little bit. Don't drink a lot because that make you sleepy.
Where?
For insomnia,
Avocado,
I
okay.
recommend have to drink at night time. They will help you sleeping well. Bali mochaccino and then chocolate.
Bitter. Like,
Wow, coffee is nice.
Oh, this one is
let me
masarap.
try this chocolate.
This is without sugar
No sugar.
and milk.
Yeah.
Oh!
Pure?
Uy!
Pure coconut.
Nice! This one is... I want to buy this.
Ano to?
This one is coconut.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap nito.
Uy, ang sarap ng coconut.
Coconut is
Tignan mo.
Kinay.
Promise. Eto, ginger. Ginger coffee. Oh.
Trip to. Masarap yung
Ito, Mino. Total ano ka, masakit yung lalamunan mo.
Ako ano. Ano tawag doon?
May mas masarap yung ginseng.
Gusto ko yung vanilla. Ay, wala.
Ginseng masarap.
Parang may gata.
Gusto ko yung vanilla, bali.
Ay, may malasa mong gata.
Where is the avocado? One,
This one is ginseng.
This is avocado.
Ay, sleepy. You will get sleepy, te.
taste a little bit.
Pag gusto na.
This one?
Ayun. Ginseng.
Oo.
No, ginger. Ginseng
Ginger.
is not with the ginger.
Avocado.
Ginger is so bitter. Tikman nyo.
Mas bitter to.
Tikman mo. Tikman mo, te.
Mm.
Te, masarap.
Lasang avocado.
Masarap,
May avocado
promise.
siya na lasa.
What's this again?
Coffee and chocolate daw yan.
Mix.
Sabi na eh, kaya pala eh. May chocolate, may aftertaste yung chocolate, matitikman mo. Ito, yung the blue
Buttermilk.
one, butterfly PT.
Sarap. Sarap ko din.
Ito, parang lasang
Ikaw mo nga.
Sprite.
Parang ano, malalasan.
Lasang Sprite.
Uy,
Alam ko sa Philippines.
butterfly PT.
Sarap.
Oo, you try, Lance.
Alam ko na ganyan din si mama eh.
Alin?
Ayun o.
Di ba? Di
It's
ba?
like a soft drink.
Eh, soft drinks in our country.
May bulaklak na yun sa Pilipinas. Sa
Try this. This is
Lalaga.
another one of the bestseller tea.
Rosella.
Oh, yan yung ano, yan yung pampapayat daw.
This one is
Drink
the
a cup in the
Rosella.
morning for that and a cup before sleep.
Oh, so...
Tomorrow you need restroom, they will cleansing.
Oh, it's for cleansing.
Without
Good for...
holiday.
Min, ito, pang cleansing.
Ayoko kasi ano. Mamaya purot ka bukas.
Sarap ng luwak.
Lasa siyang gamot.
Ay, ayoko nang ganyan.
Kaya
Lasa siyang gamot.
Okay.
Asan yung lemongrass? Ito, this is lemongrass.
No, that
No,
herbal.
that's-
Lemongrass is this.
Ah, here. I'll try this one.
herbal tea.
Patikin mo nga. Parang sa throat.
Carabao.
Eh, ano to, tanglad?
Oh.
Yeah, lemongrass is
Lemongrass na.
tanglad.
Tanglad yan eh. How was it?
Bin, you taste,
Lasang
ano,
tinola. Ano ba, Teng?
you taste this one.
Lemon tea.
Ay, masarap. Parang
Lasang
yung...
tinola siya.
Eto, te. Ano to?
Ayan. Herbal
Herbal tea.
tea.
Wait lang,
Herbal
like.
tea.
Excuse me.
May ano siya, may milk tea.
Herbal tea that nice to drink home for your mom or dad. That for cholesterol. Cholesterol and high blood pressure.
Bad cholesterol. Okay.
Ay, masarap ah.
Ito ko mga lato ko. Tapos vanilla ako.
Oh, ako din. Three, okay, splash the water. Look at the statue again. And look at the camera. Ginagawa mo. Guys! Oh, ayun, nag-ano siya. Nag-itab. Hi!
Got it. Wait, let me get. Chris, take a photo of this, man. I didn't get anyone. Oh, do you want a photo?
Ayun nga, uliit.